Yo, what's up, guys? First, I want to talk about safety. Okay, let's not talk about safety. Let's just say that we saw safety and it was safe. Very safe. Saw him at JRolled, the usual. Julian Lightbody putting in work. Looks like we got a Kia behind me. Hold up. What you got going on?
Blow off valve. I
Blow
forgot
off?
what it was called for a second.
Oh. Yee. And I see you got your new setup here. Okay.
Oh, that's
We lifting cars in the air in here. All right.
They're just sitting there. I was like,
ooh, there we go.
And they were like, I think it was like 19,000. But you can
Yee.
fully loaded for about
yeah, that's what he got.
Well, folks, this is the place you want to be. You get on that schedule there. Yo, you still looking for someone to help you out and stuff here?
If I can, yeah.
Yo, if you're someone who's trying to learn or someone who wants to get into the automotive and, you know, work on some real cars, like work on some actual stuff, come on over to JRolled. That's what we're talking about. Yo, what kind of Kia is this? G Forte G. It's boosted? Huh.
1.6 liter.
1.6.
Thing has like,
He was gonna get a little
I think 100 miles on it.
So that's why. Yeah.
We get those out of the dealership modifications.
Yeah.
So, folks, what the goal is, you know, I hop off work. It's like, you know, darkish out. I see what's going on. Come pop in. Maybe 2 videos a month. Depends, really. But I'll have all the info where this spot is. Please hit up Julian and please be patient. This man is a genius at his craftsmanship. Do not be a pleb, or whatever words I can think of. Yee. So this one I stumbled into, he's basically like done or close to done or something like that. Oh, he's done.
Just gotta put that cover back on, but I want to see what it sounds like first.
Ah, we get to hear engine noises. Pew pew.
Racing noises?
Probably that same YouTube video you watched. Dude takes out for a test drive. You can hear it. I mean, it's noticeable.
I just started up regular. Not crazy.
Get on boost.
Oh shit, nice.
It's kind of cool that that's like.
I try to keep that sealed system because I try to explain to people some of them, but intakes, especially short rams, are worse in car because the intake temperatures are higher.
See, I didn't like this. There's a company out there called Sixth.
Hmm?
They make a sealed lid that's clear, and
What
it
is
has a
it?
light in there. And you hook it up, so when it turns on, it's colored.
What's the pattern?
You can't even see it. You still can't see it.
No,
can
he
see it.
put that on.
Weird down at the bottom.
Right there.
Yeah,
If you look straight right here, you can see it.
yeah.
Because
So I had to change out that one hose. The hose, and it gives you new bolts and all that stuff. So
That catch can's over there. You can see
I
them.
see it.
Yeah.
Because the AFE, they also do intake
There's
similar to
filters
that.
on
That
it.
nice
I
clear.
want-
It doesn't
That's
make
not
it-
bad.
But it looks cool.
the one.
It looks
I
cool
didn't know
shit.
they had filters on. That's kind of cool though.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
I want to braid. I want to get the braided ones for mine.
That's expensive.
I know.
That thing's expensive because they got a patent on that.
Oh yeah. Of course,
Yeah.
it's gonna be because it's a new car.
But all the GT guys have this that same one, so I was like,
No, he put that in.
I put that in.
On the first camera, it says do you have to get a new license plate or can it plug into the old
They gave me all that stuff and it was all replaceable.
one? Because on mine, it's like the shitty
And
part
then right underneath the cover, there's a vent vent filter.
Oh shit, nice.
Yeah, they send you all that. But it was the whole catch can system. Now I went fancy instead of getting the old cheapo hose clamps. I got the aluminum ones that match the catch can. It was like $300.
That's actually not bad.
The BOV and the intake were $5.96 from Panda.
Cause my catch can, cause like no one really, it's like no one really hooks up outings. It's $350 to $550. Who doesn't?
No.
Those are partial boost. Yeah, if you partial boost way more than you'll ever like, you go wide.
It's got, I mean, screws in it. And
What? Oh.
give me that. I need that.
Like mine does. Intake temperatures, coolant, oil temperature. Like you have an OEM white band. There's a lot of new cars come with it.
Yeah, probably.
It does
Yeah, I just want to
lead stoic rich.
Okay.
I always butcher that.
What'd you get?
Have you seen one of them aftermarket
on
kits?
Nah, I got
Those little computers.
I'm actually too.
Or you're tuned in there.
MJ, the one for the iPhone.
Nah. I was like, yeah, because we have this.
I'm happy, man. We get content day one. I stopped by. E.
We are.
Huh?
How hard do you think it'd be to put coilovers on this? You think that's smarter than air ride?
I mean, it depends. I mean, you don't. I mean, if you don't drive that, it's all good.
Well, here's what happened. I don't want my chipyard car to go down, then I have to drive it, and then I'm worried about that air ride all the time. And plus the price.
Crazy. Yeah, the air ride has definitely gone up recently.
Air ride for this car from Panda is $4,000.
Mine's
Coilover is only $1,200.
You see?
I'd have to look it up.
He made the biggest point because he installs air. Like I've been on air. This one 3 years. The other one 3 years. So it's almost 7 years I've been on air. I love air. I ain't going back.
Yeah.
But like when I was arguing, people like, oh, yeah. The stance guys like that's not true. How you punch on. He's like, I've never seen a coil leave.
What's up?
Yeah, that's the same thing Jim says all the time.
It's set up just like it said it. Stand corrected. This thing has 106 miles on it. To the T. 106. I was like, holy crap.
It's nice seeing new stuff.
Oh, they undercoated the whole thing.
Huh.
Kind of cool. Because this is normally the spots where tend to rust.
Pull up the ATM air out.
Yeah.
Like sometimes with a gas light, I stop like, what are you doing?
Cool.
All right.
Nice.
Down we go.
I look at his it costs a lot.
Damn.
I've had 2 months. I wanted to get all this stuff done before I get out with it. I didn't know.
Yeah. The prime definition. As soon as you get, all right, let's go ahead and build some stuff. Let's have some fun.
I went straight to 10 and got it 0.
Oh yeah, that's how you're supposed to do that.
Yeah.
Forget the fishbowl.
Yeah. I gotta take that back. They gotta adjust it because when you start it, you'll hear it rattle.
I don't like slamming hoods, so I'd be like super like if I drop it from here and it doesn't close, then I'm like.
I think they need to adjust the adjustment underneath there.
Bruh.
There you go.
Okay.
No, I hate slamming hoods. I'm like, I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it.
I gotta say a joke. Part out? Part out?
Not yet.
Not yet.
The key is right.
I didn't know
You want more out? They got 103 miles on.
It better be in 2023.
That's turbo.
I like the rear end of it.
Oh, they might get over that.
Oh, the temp on the blade?
Probably like bolts in there. Probably. So what happens is people swing, and then every time the hood almost has adjustment on it, it like knocks it down further and further. That's why.
Hold on, I'll bring it. Let them adjust it. Here. That's annoying.
Yeah, it's probably they have bump stops.
All right. Appreciate it, man.
No problem.
Later.
All right,
Nice
pleasure
meeting
meeting you.
Hey, man, have a good night.
Be good, be safe.
Oh, the key ain't broken.
Yeah, don't break it right now.
I ain't gonna break it. Normally they break right here. Tomorrow, give me one that's like all taped up. I'm like, man, what the fuck? My friend has he has a 99 Civic and has the same key, and then like I can literally I can hold it here and then pull the key, like bend the key because it's just so bent and got tape on it. I'm like,
Yeah, we got somebody bring in one of these. at my shop, and they'll be like, the key's taped up. Be very careful when you go get it, and the key is literally 90 degrees. I'm like,
Yeah, his car.
Bruh.
Like, when you start his car, you literally have to grab the key here. If not, then this thing is gonna fall off. I'm like, oh my god.
Well then,
But look, you know what's crazy? That car the 07, right? Why didn't they just make the key like this one?
pop out. Yeah, it's nice. Obviously, I'm a break that area.
And then it's weird. The key for that is different. It's like 2 keys.
y'all, it's chill time. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Remember JRolled. Yo, you want to shout yourself out?
Mr. Frank White.
There you go. Instagram, anything. What you got?
Instagram. Mr. Frank White.
Oh, there we go. Easy peasy. Yes, sir. But it's lunchtime. We got Ron back there chilling. Hey. All right, we out. Hold up, wait. I'm gonna get the back there. Fender roll and suspension installs, air ride installs, brake jobs, exhaust installs, engine swaps, tune-ups, and more. Hit them up.